Hi everyone, I'm Abdul Majeed, developer of Tubbal Pathology software. In recent days I got so many emails and comments from the users who download my software don't know how to install the database. So in this video we will see how to install this. Let's get in. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Now download the Tubbal software from SourceForge website. We need the MS SQL Express edition to install the database, so search SQL Server Download in Google and click the first link. Scroll down and click to download the SQL Express edition. Run the SQL Server setup and wait until it's completed. Once it's completed, we need to download the SQL Server Management Studio to manage the database. Let's wait until it's completed. Once it's complete, we need to download the Server Management Studio software. Alright, now the SQL Server successfully installed. Now it's time to install Server Management Studio, which is called SSMS in short form. Click the below Install SSMS button to download that. It will take you to the website to download SQL Server Management Studio. Click that free download link to download the software. Its size up to 800 MB. If you have a good internet, it will download quickly. Alright, now it's downloaded. Click the file to run the SQL Management Studio setup. Let's wait until the setup is complete. Once it's installed, we have some few more steps to do. Great, it's installed successfully. Now go to Windows search and type SQL Server Management Studio and open it. Make sure your server name is your computer name /SQLE Express and choose Windows Authentication and then click OK. Now go to the downloaded folder of Tubbal software and install it. Usually it took some time to install. Now if you try to log in with admin credentials such as admin and admin, it will say database is not connected. Now we are going to install the database. You can find the database file in the software folder named as tubbaldb.back. To install this backup, go to SQL Server Management Studio, right-click the Databases option, choose Restore Database and choose the option called From Device and browse the backup file and click OK to install, and that's it. Now you can close everything and open the Tubbal app and enter the login details. It will work like a charm. Also, don't forget to install the Crystal report, otherwise you will not get any report from the Tubbal app. If you have any problem, read this instruction manual for the fix. Alright, now I am planning to simplify the development of Tubbal software, so subscribe the channel. Your support is required for the next Tubbal Lite development. Thank you all, see you one next software video.